What's up, everybody? So today we're filming a speed test of the Diatone Roma F5 V2 4S analog. We're using this speed meter and the ethics props, which are kind of beaten up, as you can see, but we'll do it anyway, and then we'll do it with the gem fan props and see what we get. And it looks like we got 134 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's see what the gem fan says. Okay, so these are the gem fan 5152 flash. Also forgot to mention these are brand new batteries. This is their first cycle. If you want to learn more about these batteries, I'll have a link to a video where you can buy, and I'll tell you more about these batteries, because these batteries are awesome. They're better than Hobby King's Turnigy line and everything, and I'll tell you more about them in another video. I'll link it here. And yeah, let's see how fast it goes with the gem fans. Okay, so the gem fan 5152 got 136 kilometers per hour. Not a big difference. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I make another amazing video. And thanks for watching.